Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Innovative Path. Hope you all are doing good. So as you can see in the previous video, I have shown that how you can give security to your Excel files with some passwords. So today in this video, we will cover a new advanced topic, that is a theme. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. So the Excel provide variety of theme that helps your document to be formally added. So with the help of the theme, you can easily harmonize your document with the various color, font and effects. So as you can see, I have a chart here, so I will perform the theme operation on this. So without wasting time, let's get started. For the theme, you have to go into the page layout option, and from the page layout you can see that there is a theme, and in the color option you can select any random color that will suit on your chart. You can see here that there is a variety of colors are available, and similarly there is a font. You can select any random font for your chart, just like this. Okay, and similarly you can add any effect, like there is angles, grid. So variety of fonts, colors and effects are available for your document, and in the themes you can select any themes that will suit on your chart. So there are many themes are available. So hope you guys understand this video, and thank you for watching my video and have a nice day. Bye.